Anthropic just released Claude 4.7, the model that we were all waiting for. Oh no, we were waiting for Mythos.
I was like, we weren't waiting for that.
Yeah. So Anthropic took Mythos. According to the statistics that they showed us from the benchmarks, it's kind of like in between 4.6 and Mythos. So
As you'd expect, yeah.
so what they did, if you go on some of the benchmarks, if you go and add the total between 4.6 of the benchmarks and for Mythos, and you divide it by half, you see it's exactly the benchmark that was given to Opus 4.7, which is kind of skeptical. But maybe they trained it to that extent, but I doubt it. It could never be. But what are your thoughts on Opus 4.7?
So for me, the news just came randomly. I was expecting Mythos and 4.7, you know. I haven't used it yet. It just came out yesterday. I'll probably try it out tonight. But from what I've heard, people aren't, except for the benchmarks, people aren't really seeing crazy, stats. I was hoping it would be cheaper, but it's also very expensive. So I don't know. For me, nothing has really changed much, but I don't know. We're still very early. It just came out yesterday, so we'll see how things continue to progress.
Yeah, that's true. I used it yesterday when it came out. That was the best thing of the week, best highlight. So far, not so much changes, but I hear from people from Anthropic saying that it uses the tools way better, and they were talking about how good it is, but that's just them. Now we're waiting on really testing it on really hard things. I think people are still running tests to see if there's an actual improvement. But based on the few people that have already done tests so far, they're saying that it's slightly better than GPT 5.4, which is so crazy for a new model. We're expecting a very big bump from 5.4.
I see. Maybe because why it's slightly better, because like you mentioned, the tools, right? Anthropic is focusing on enterprise and the tools and other things that AI can do, like making PowerPoints. And it's eating up other SaaS companies, like Gamma, Cursor, Figma, It's going to focus a lot on design. Well, which begs the question, is any SaaS company,
Don't forget to mention that today, Anthropic just released the design that you mentioned, and Figma was 20% down on the stock market. I think every day Figma wakes up and say, why did we IPO at all? So that's some of the things that are happening around the model. And my question is, when will actually Mythos get in the hands of users? I know they mentioned a couple months, but how long do you think that couple months will be?
I think it has to be by the end of this year, before Christmas. I don't know.
Shoot.
You can't really drag it till 2027. AI moves so fast. The AI news, people might forget all of this by summer. It'll be old news. So,
yeah,
end of this year for sure.